집에서 매일매일 혼자 영어 공부를 하고 있습니다. 오늘은 그 중에 하나를 보여드릴게요. 저의 꿈은 디자이너인데 오늘 이 영상을 통해서 저만의 케이크 디자인을 보여드리도록 하겠습니다. 그럼 보시. Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. It's Yanhu
And it's Dayo.
Today we're going to have a challenge. And that challenge name is Who's the best baker?
I'm the
And-
best baker
No, me.
in the world.
No, me. So, we have rules. All the challenge has rules.
Of course.
And that rule is watch out the bad ingredient. Watch out the table.
Okay. Watch out the bad ingredient. We have
Yeah,
that's
that's
stubborn things.
Terrible.
Vegetable.
Terrible. And let's go. So, we're going to choose
Yes.
our ingredients. First,
Random.
the cream. The cream.
Oh, I'm going to just change this. The cream
Into
part.
a cream part. Guys, I made this and this is
Just do it. Just.
okay.
Yeah.
Topping one. No. Topping
Yeah.
two.
Just do
And
it.
cream.
Ah.
Now, let's
Okay, I'm go. Oh,
You
we
choose
forgot. Wait, we forgot the mustard. This is a mustard? Yes, this is a mustard.
Let's mix it.
Mix it. Okay. Gonna close your eyes and choose it.
No, mustard is not matching this. This is matching here.
Oh, I forgot.
What is the mustard? Oh, I think. Hmm? Find the mustard. Oh,
Find
it's
the
a
chocolate
cream.
cream.
And this is a mustard.
Okay, let's mix it.
I'm choosing first.
Okay. Here is the random cream. Choose it. Let's watch it. Chocolate cream!
I have a cream. I wanted a chocolate cream.
Chocolate
That's-
cream!
I choose a cream. So
And I choose the chocolate cream.
that's fine.
I'm so happy. Wow, this
So-
chocolate cream.
Where is the cake? Where is the cake?
I don't do anything. Oh, please, you only one taste?
No.
Please, please. Close it. Yanu, don't eat that much.
No, I didn't eat that.
Yanu, open your mouth. Oh, sorry. Let's drink this first.
I'm going to turn this to topping
One.
one.
Okay, we have a mortgages.
You choose first.
Wait.
Yes, and you choose first. Close your eyes. Yes, choose.
This.
Please, mustard. Please, mustard.
Ah! No, that's mortgages. Mortgages.
No, I think that's a mustard.
Mom, I choose a mortgages. I have a good feeling about this. A chocolate.
No.
Please
no.
be a. Wait, Yoda, don't choose
What?
it.
Do you cheat it?
No.
No, that's a cheat. No.
No. Okay, wait. I am going to.
Dyer.
Okay, I'll kill turkey. Sure it is. Just choose it. What is this? What is this? What is this? Mustard! Yeah!
No.
Janus got the mustard and a sweet. Mom, Janus got the mustard. Janus got the. Okay, Janu.
No,
Janu, wait.
Janu, wait. I'm kind,
and
and I'm going to choose this.
change this. I'm so kind, guys. I'm proud of myself.
No, but that's a rule. And thank you for the Mauritius. And I'm using this and this. So there. So guys,
We have
now
our-
it's the part
No, no,
for
no, no, no,
the topping.
That's a chocobar.
Oh, 2.
We have a rainbow sprinkle and carrot. Yeah. Please don't choose the carrot. Yeah, you first now.
Okay.
Let's mix this.
Do I really have to do this?
Yeah.
Where is that?
Oh, here it is. Here it is.
Please not be a carrot.
Rainbow sprinkle! Rainbow sprinkle!
Please give me that.
Rainbow
And
sprinkle!
you choose that.
No, Yana, that's not fair. I'm going to choose that.
Oh,
Like
okay.
that. Mix it, please. Please, please be a rainbow sprinkle! I'm so lucky person. I'm a lucky duck. Lucky duck. Lucky duck. My cake is
Now-
perfect now.
This is ours, and this is mine, and this is hers.
We have a plate in here. Oh, guys, by the way, we have a carrot, but I'm going to use it once. Okay,
We have our pancake cake.
pancake cake.
Pancakes.
Cake.
Pancakes.
Okay, pancakes.
So, now we're going to start it with the cream. That's like a poop.
Okay, guys, we are almost done with our cake. Okay, I left a
Spreading.
little bit in here.
Spreading a cream, not a
Guys,
cake.
this is looks like a mud. Oh, like a mud cake.
You
I'm sorry. I need a word.
don't say
to match
that.
Okay, guys, I'm done, I think.
I'm not done, so you have to wait.
That's so tasty. I need a little bit more.
This is not come out. Oh, now it's come.
Yana, please hurry up.
Okay. Now my cake is done. A little
Okay.
bit here. A little bit.
You done?
Yes, I'm done.
And you're going to sprinkle the mustard.
No.
You see that? That's a cheating.
Okay. Now we're going to
Pour
decorating this with
Martinez.
and a rainbow sprinkles.
Rainbow sprinkle.
And
Let's open this.
a mustard.
I don't have a carrot and a mustard.
I'm going to start it with this.
Oh, Yana,
What?
please give me some of that.
What?
One little bit, because I need a white cream.
Why?
Because I'm going to put some of this Martinez.
No, please use that.
Okay. First is the top of
White
the cake.
cream is mine.
Oh,
This is so pretty. I
Yeah.
need to taste this.
Martinez.
This is not too bad, but not too tasty.
This is so
It's not had a taste.
not healthy.
Weird.
Not have a
sprinkle.
flavor. I'm going to spring this with a rainbow sprinkle.
Oh. Now we'll turn off the camera. Then
Yeah, this is like a poop.
okay.
Okay, guys, Yanu is pouring the mustard.
This smells like pea.
Trash. Trash.
Yes. Guys, no, my cake is ruined. This mustard.
Just pour it, Yanu. Oh no!
This is
Oh no! Stop saying no. You already did that.
My cake is ruined. Oh, that's enough. That's enough.
That's not enough. You're going to pour it.
Oh, that's nice. My
like a
cake
trash.
is ruined.
I agree with that.
I need this. Ice cream.
Yanu!
Ice cream.
Yanu, what? You pour so much. I can't eat that.
Okay, guys, we're done with making our cakes, and this is
Yanu. Okay. This is looks like five mortgages looks like Evans.
and mine's too.
You see that? The mustard mortgages.
Now, guys, it's the taste time. This is our first.
Guys, this picture looks like a mud, but guys, I think this tastes amazing. But this tastes a little bit of mustard. Mustard.
I'm not eating the top part. I'm not eating that because the top part had mustard. Come here, you.
No!
Don't do that. No.
You're cheating.
No, not cheating.
Then, wait.
Okay.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
This some of
No.
mortgages.
No. That's enough.
Give me the knife, Mom.
Thanks.
Okay, let's
It.
Yeah.
Taste test.
This is not very cutting.
Oh. This is too thick.
Yeah.
It's hard to cut. But
Oh, I
just
have a verb
eat.
part.
Let's just eat.
What?
Enough the cutting part.
It's so tasty. Wait. Guys, this is tastes amazing.
Amazing!
You eat the mustard. Not eat the mustard. Eat the mustard, just mustard.
No. Wow, guys. This is not joking. It's really good.
This is tastes amazing.
I think this tastes like not good, but it's good.
2 out of 10. Oh no, not 2 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
8 out of 10 because
10.
this is tastes really.
Oh, now I'm
Not
going to
too-
try yours.
I love sweet.
I'm going to try yours.
Okay.
Wait. I think yours great too, but not as mine. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. Now we're done with our challenge. And who's the best baker?
I think it's me.
I think it's me. It's me. Choose me. Just choose me. Okay.
Okay.
Do you guys enjoy the video? I think you guys enjoyed the video and see you guys next time.
영상 잘 보셨나요?
저는